Hello, thank you for joining me. In today's video, I'll share with you how to cut stylish back necklines. I will share with you step by step on how to achieve this. So if you're interested in all of this, please come with me and let's get started. Usually, most back bodies have zipper allowance, and if the back bodies have zipper allowance, every measurement will start from this zipper allowance. The top here is the shoulder line. So for this particular style that I'll be starting with, there is zipper at the down part of the blouse. So I'm going to impute a neck width from the zipper allowance of 5 inches. I'll also come down from the shoulder by 2 inches. Then I'll connect from that neck width down to this neck depth of 2 inches. I'll place my tape from this neck depth and come down by 9 inches. Then I'll connect from the neck width down to this 9 inches. So I'll place my French curve this way. You can use your free hand to do this. I'm going to use my French curve to connect from the neck width down to this depth here. Now if you take a good look at this neckline, it has oval shaped keyhole. So I'm going to place my curve, French curve this way, and connect from this point down to the end. My neckline is turning out so beautiful. So this is the zipper allowance, this is the keyhole, and this is the yoke. So I'll cut it out now for you to see what it looks like. I'll first of all cut the neckline, then I'll go ahead and cut the keyhole. After I cut the keyhole, I'll open it up for you to see what it looks like. And wow, you can actually use this neckline this way. It's going to give you a really beautiful back bodice. So I'll cut out the yoke now. Let's see what it will look like with the yoke. And I'm done cutting, and see, we have another beautiful neckline without the yoke. You can use this for your back bodice also. And I'll attach the yoke now. And this is what the final look with the yoke looks like. Please let me know what you think about this neckline on the comment section. The second neckline on my list is the neckline with a heart-shaped keyhole. So I'll take a neck width of 4 inches and a neck depth of 1.5 inch. Then I'll connect from this neck width down to the neck depth. Then from this neck depth, I'll come down by 2 inches. I'll mark the 2 inches. From that 2 inches, I'll come down by 6 inches. Place my French curve this way, connecting from that 2 inches down to my 6 inches. After I take the first curve, I'll place my French curve this way also and connect down this way. You can see how easy it is, and here I have my heart. So I'm going to cut it out now for you to see what it looks like. You can use this neckline for both kids and adults back bodies, and it looks so beautiful. I really love this neckline. Please let me know what you think in the comment section about this neckline. It's called a heart-shaped keyhole neckline. I'll open up the zipper allowance this way so that we'll be able to put the button there, and I'll also open the zipper allowance at the down. The next neckline on my list also have a keyhole at the back. So I'll take a neck width of 4 inches and a neck depth of 2 inches. So I'll connect from my neck width down to my neck depth, extending it to my zipper allowance. So I'll come down by 1 inch from this neck depth. This particular neckline, the distance between the neckline and the keyhole is about just 1 inch. Then I'll mark the chest line now. That's the line directly under my armhole. I'll place my tape from the zipper allowance and impute 3 inches. Then I'll connect from that 2 inches below the neck depth down to the 3 inches. And my neckline is ready. This is the yoke. This is the neckline, while this is the keyhole. For this back bodice, you can use zipper or a loop. If you want to learn how to draft this with a loop, I'll drop the link for you. So I'll cut it out now for you to see what it looks like. This neckline is really trendy, and wow, my neckline is ready. You can try this out for your next outfit and let me know what you think in the comment section. So I'm going to open up the zipper allowance now and fold it in so that we'll see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like after I open it up. So I'm going to fold in the zipper allowance now. Let's see what it looks like without the zipper allowance. If you have watched to this point, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And this is what my neckline looks like without the zipper allowance. And if you want to have a yoke for this bodice, I can just cut from this chest line now. I'll open it up, and the up will be yoke while the down will be my body. The next neckline on my list is a double keyhole circle neckline. So the first thing I'm going to do now, if I will impute my neck width of 4 inches. If you notice, this bodice does not have zipper at the back, so there'll be no need for zipper allowance. So I'll come down by 1.5 for the neck depth, then I'll connect from the neck width down to the neck depth. After that, I'll come down by 1 inch from the neck depth. Then from that 1 inch, I'll come down by 3 inches. Now bearing in mind that the first circle is smaller than the second circle, so I'll come down by 3 inches. Then I'll connect from that 1 inch I came down from the neck depth to that 3 inches, creating my first circle. Then from that first circle, I'll come down by 0.5. I'll leave that 0.5 or 1 inch, so I'm going to leave 0.5 here. Then I'll connect from that 0.5 now downwards, creating a bigger circle. So I can either freestyle it or I'll measure out. For here now, I measured it and it's about 4 inches. That's 1 inch longer than the first end. As you can see, I pushed in my French curve so that it will be wider than the first one, and my circle is ready. So I'm just going to cut it out now for you to see. And I've cut out the neckline, and I'll go ahead now and cut out the smaller keyhole, which is the first one. Then I'll go ahead now and cut out the second one. Please, you can take your time while cutting. I included this neckline because the first time I set my eyes on it, I fell in love with it, and I really love it. Just let me know what you think about this double circle keyhole neckline on the comment section. The next neckline on my list is the deep V neckline for the back bodice. For this neckline, there is zipper at the back bodice, so I'm going to impute a neck width of 5 inches. And to get my neckline right, I'll indicate my chest line, which is the line immediately under my armhole. Then I'll connect from my neck width down to my chest line, and I think this is the easiest and straightforward neckline we've drafted so far, and it's so beautiful. I really love this neckline, so I'll cut it out now for you to see what it looks like. So you can either leave it this way, or if you want it to be yoke just like the one on the screen, you cut out from this chest line, and the upper part will be the yoke while this down part will be the bodice. So I'll mark the zipper allowance on this side now and open it up, fold the zipper allowance in so that you see what it looks like without the zipper allowance. The next on my list is the square shape and the scoop neckline for the back bodice. So I'm going to be showing you the 2-in-1 on this pattern. So I took a neck width of 4 inches, a neck depth of 6 inches. At that 6 inches, I also went in by 4 inches to equal with my neck width, as you can see. So I'll connect from that point now up to my neck width, and my square shape neckline is ready. If you want it deeper, I'm going to show you that later, but for now I'm going to show you how to get your scoop neckline with this one now. So I'll mark the midpoint of this neck depth, then I'll connect from that midpoint into my neck depth, and I have my scoop or U neckline for the back bodice. So I'll cut out the scoop neckline first for all to see what it looks like, and this is what it looks like. So I'll close it up now and I'll show you what a deeper scoop neckline looks like. So I'm going to draw the chest line now to indicate it, then I'll extend this neck width down to my chest line. So after drawing my line, I noticed that it's not looking straight, so I'll just connect it again to make sure that it's straight. And I'll go ahead and mark the midpoint of that chest line now. Then I'll create another curve, blending in from that midpoint into the new neck depth. So I'll cut it out now for you to see what it looks like. If you've watched to this point, thank you very much, and I hope you're enjoying the tutorial so far. Please don't forget to subscribe. And this is what the deep U or scoop neckline looks like. I'll cut out this square shape now so that we'll see what the square shape looks like for the back bodice. And I really love this neckline. This neckline is really trending right now. You can use it for both the front and back bodice. The next neckline on my list is the oval shape keyhole neckline. For this particular neckline, I'll take a neck width of 5 inches. Then I'll come down by 2 inches. Then I'll connect from that neck width down to the neck depth. After that, I'll draw a straight line indicating my chest line. Then on this chest line, I'll come out by 1.5 inches. At this neck depth, I'll also come down by 1.5 inches. Then I'll connect from that 1.5 down to the 1.5 at the chest line. I know you'll be wondering, I thought we've done this before. Well, the difference is that the neck width here is wider and the keyhole is smaller. So I'm going to cut it out now for you to see what it looks like. And remember, if you want to have this as a yoke, you cut out the chest line from the rest of the bodice to create your yoke. And this is what it looks like. I will now open up the zipper allowance now, fold it in for us to see what it looks like. And here we have it. And this is the first and the second neckline. You can see the second neckline is smaller than the first neckline. So I hope you've learned one or two things in this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video so you can get to other people who will be interested in learning necklines for the back body. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.